According to a recent government survey, the average person uses 80 to 100 gallons of water every day. That's why maintaining the quality of water in your home is very important and as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, run the water early in the morning for a few minutes so that it flushes the pipes of stagnant water. Use cold water for drinking and cooking because hot water could contain dissolved metals. It should become common practice to remove and clean the screen every 6 months. It's also important to clean it after any piping or plumbing work. Water quality is a shared responsibility between you and your water supplier. These steps will ensure that your water is as clean and safe as possible. For more quality tips, please visit us online at oakgov.com/water.